In today's video, we're going to talk about cases, document, email NVC is working on this week. And also, I'm going to talk a little bit about the August 2020 Visa Bulletin Board. If it's something you want to know, just stay tuned and I'll be right back.
USA Monde.
Good morning, my beautiful people. This is John from USA Monde. Welcome back and thanks for watching. If it's your first time on my channel, as always, welcome on this channel. You know, we talk about immigration, sometimes we talk about finance, sometimes we talk about business, just to help newcomers in the United States of America, permanent resident, and then a US citizen here in the state. Okay, so in today's video, like I say in the introduction, today we're going to talk about cases and document and then email NVC it's working on this week. Okay, so some of you guys who are new or who don't have a chance to check the NVC website regularly, every week NVC update their website and let us know what they are doing. Like I say, you know, cases, document, and then email they are working. Okay, so once your case is approved USCIS level, you receive a letter from USCIS. Then your case will move to NVC, but don't think it's gonna move to NVC in 30 days. Sometimes, you know, it does, but sometimes, most of the time, it takes more than 30 days before NVC contact you. Okay, because once NVC get all your information, they have to put all your information in their system, and that can take time. You know, every time you receive a letter from USCIS that your case is approved, you have to give NVC at least 6 weeks or to 2 months in order for them to contact you. And also that will depend on your visa category, because some of the visa category process is kind of long, so it will take a little longer before NVC contact you. Okay, so in case you receive a letter maybe like 6 weeks or 2 months ago, chances are NVC start working on your case this week. Okay, so on their website, August 3rd, they say that they are working on cases they received from USCIS on July 23rd. Okay, which is like what, 11 days or so. They start working on cases they received from USCIS 11 days ago. Okay, and then now after they work on your case and they contact you, it's time for you to send your fees, you know, submit your fees and send your document, or send the petitioner documents, and also the visa applicant document. And then once you send those documents, what's gonna happen is NVC gonna review those documents. Okay, and then that too, you have to wait. You have to be patient because it will take time before they review those documents. You know, right now they only review they review document of people who are not affected by the immigration suspension first, and then after that they're gonna review document of people who are affected by the immigration suspension. So it's gonna, you know, take time, especially if you're affected by the immigration suspension. But you know, sometimes it can take like 2 months, 3 months, and for them to review your document, and then they will contact you and let you know that okay, you are document qualified, meaning that you can move to the next step, which is gonna be the interview. Okay, so then from there they're gonna schedule an interview for you at the U.S. consulate. If the U.S. consulate resume their visa services in your country, then NVC will be able to you know, schedule an interview appointment for you, and then your relative or you, the visa applicant, you can go to the interview. Okay, so on August 3rd, NVC announced that they are reviewing document they received on May 21st, which is like a 2.5 months ago. So they are reviewing those documents right now. So like I say, after they review it, they let you know about their decision. Okay, and also the third thing we're going to talk about here is going to be email. You know, some of you guys will send an NVC email regarding different stuff, or maybe you need more clarification. The NVC said that they didn't receive your application from USCIS, and they ask you to submit a proof like your approval letter, you know, stuff like that, and you send it to NVC, or you ask a different question. So what's gonna happen is NVC gonna reply to those emails you send them, and then this week on August 3rd, they say that they are responding to email they received on July 29, which is like what, 6 days ago, 5 days ago. So the email they received on 5 days ago, they start responding to those emails. So all you gotta do is to check your email box, make sure you don't miss any email NVC send you. Okay, now for some of you guys who are petitioner, who petition for your relative and then your relative are not like immediate relative, meaning like spouse or kids or U.S. citizen, then you have to check on the visa bulletin board and see what is going on. Okay, on the visa bulletin board, you have two things you have to pay attention to: is the final action date and date for filing. So like I told you guys, the final action date is basically the when you are eligible, to start your immigrant visa process, or you are eligible to adjust your status. Okay, and then the date for filing is when you are qualified to apply for your immigrant visa, you are qualified to adjust your status in the United States of America. So this month, so every month, they update on the visa bulletin board. The State Department update the visa bulletin board. So this month, which is August, they put a new information on the board. Some of those information still the same since July, but this month, I have the board in front of me. I opened the website. So on F1 category, which is basically the unmarried children of a U.S. citizen, in that category for Philippines, still on the final action date is on September 1st of 2011. Mexico is on December 22nd, 97. And then India is on August 15, 2014, main China, and then the rest of the world also August 15, 2014. Okay, and then when we move to F2A category, which is children of green card holders. Okay, children of green card holders and a spouse of green card holder, in that category. So when I say children, I mean minor children of green card holder and a spouse of green card holder. In that category is current, meaning that they start their process now. You can start your process now. So if you didn't receive any notification from NVC, you need to contact them, let them know that your category is current. Okay, so on F2B category, which is adult children of green card holders, for Philippines is April 1st, 2011. For Mexico, March 22nd, 1999. India, June 8th, 2015. Main China and the rest of the world, June 8th, 2015. For F3 category, which is adult married children of U.S. citizen, in that category for Philippines, we got November 15, 2001. Mexico, July 15, 1996. India, main China, and the rest of the world are June 1st, 2008. And then the fourth category, which is a F4 category, siblings of a U.S. citizen. In that category for Philippines, we got September 1st, 2001. Mexico, June 15, 1998. And then India, February 22nd, 2005. Main China and the rest of the country of the world is going to be September 8th, 2006. So if your priority date is before all those dates I just mentioned, and you didn't receive any information from NVC yet, you can contact them and see if there is probably a mistake, or they will tell you to be patient, or when they tell you roughly when you can get a notification. Okay, that is the final action date. Now the date for filing, like I told you, which is when you're gonna be qualified to start your immigrant visa or qualified to adjust your status. In that category for F1 is going to be for Philippines is June 8, 2012. Mexico is February 1st, 2000. India, main China, and the rest of the country of the world is going to be June 8, 2015. Okay, for 2A category, in that category, the Philippines is going to be July 1st, 2020. Mexico, July 1st, 2020, and then the rest of India, main China, and then the rest of country of the world also July 1st, 2020. For F2B category, okay, and Philippines is going to be December 1st, 2011. Mexico, November 8th, 1999. India, March 15, 2016. Main China and the rest of the countries, it's going to be March 15, 2016 as well. For F3 category, for Philippines, it's going to be August 22nd, 2002. Mexico, August 1st, 2000. India, May 8th, 2009. Main China, the rest of the country is going to be May 8, 2009. And then the last category, which is F4 category for a date for filing, Philippines is going to be May 8, 2002. Mexico, April 1st, 1999. India, November 8, 2005, main China, September 1st, 2007, and then the rest of the countries, September 1st and 2007. So basically, that's the information we have on for August 2020 visa bulletin board. So if your priority date is before those dates, you need to pay attention to either your email box and your mailbox also. You make sure you don't miss any notification coming from NVC, National Visa Sender. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys love it, learn something from it. If you know somebody who needs to watch this video, please share with that person. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more video like this one, all you gotta do is click on this. Once again, my name is John. Thanks for watching, and I talk to you guys in the next video.
USA Monde.